How do you use your conscious masculine essence and your conscious feminine essence practices to feel better? Namaste, my beloveds. This is Sufiana of Feminine Soul Awakening. Once when I was in Los Angeles, I woke up with like this very low, depressed mood when I feel like everything should just come to an end. My life is hopeless and I saw just total dead ends everywhere. So what did I do? I felt like, okay, at least the ocean makes me feel better, so just let me drag my dead body to the ocean. So I went there and I just started journaling exactly what is. I gave voice to my hopelessness. I gave voice to whatever wanted to come through me. So I journal like, you are like this, you are like that. I was fighting with the universe, believe it or not. I was fighting with the goddess. I was fighting with everything that was like, my life is hopeless. I don't see any possibility, blah, blah, blah. I gave voice to my inner truth of this moment. So that first step is that radical acceptance of what is. And that is one of your feminine essences, acceptance. And then journaling also in some ways, like, you know, it's a feminine practice. You just express, like how sometimes we just want to just talk, do talk therapy with our girlfriends. You just talk and talk and talk, and then you feel better. So I just expressed what was. And then I just played my very beautiful, sensual, spiritual music on repeat mode on my MP3 player, and I just danced in the ocean, like water was like up till my knees. And I just started dancing exactly what I was feeling. I was dancing my hopelessness. I was dancing whatever my truth was in that moment. And as I allowed myself to get into the flow of my emotions, that is again feminine, getting into the flow, feeling your feelings and dancing them. So creative arts, again, my feminine side. So doing my dance therapy. And then I became totally presence, our masculine side, our Shiv essence. So became totally radically present to the warmth of the sun that was caressing my face. Now this was sensuality, the touch of the sun on my face, the touch of the sand underneath. Then that was tickling underneath my soles. And then just feeling the caressing of the wind. I felt like it was like a lover dancing with me, and I became totally present to all of these. So the presence part was the masculine part, and then the sensuality part is the feminine part. So together, the sensual presence, feminine and masculine together, started transforming my dance of hopelessness. Within just 15-20 minutes became a dance of infinite possibilities. I could see so many possibilities then. I felt like this erotic joy dancing within me. I felt like there was so much more hope to my life, and all this changed by me accepting what was. Not trying to force the change, that would be you accepting only your masculine side, because change or transformation is our masculine side. But first you have to start with the feminine, acceptance. When you accept a problem, you can transform it. So, but I met the whole feeling of hopelessness with consciousness. What conscious practices did I do? Journaling, being in nature, and dance therapy. So I hope that this helped you, and I hope you will try this the next time you're not feeling so good, and then let me know. And sometimes maybe you're supposed to sit with the not feeling good for a longer time. So if it did not instantaneously transform with doing all these things, I would have just accepted it. I was not dancing with the intention that I'm going to make myself feel different or better. It just happened naturally. So try this, and also go with trust that if I'm supposed to sit with this feeling for a longer time so that it gets out of me what it needs to get out of me, so it can take me to the deepest depths of my soul, then trust the feminine, trust the dark journey. Deep bow. Oh yes, I forgot to say, hit the subscribe key as well as the notifications if you like my videos. Thank you. Deep bow.